Tutors, Crypto Tutors, Crypto Tutors, hey.
It's a wave. Making money in my sleep? Making money in my sleep.
The first account we need to set up is going to be on Waves, and the second account will be on CashApp. Waves is the platform that enables us to buy the stablecoin USDN, which is what we'll use to make money while we sleep.
Now that we've already created our Waves account, we can get ready and send money from your CashApp account to Waves.
Step 2, download CashApp. Step 3, once the download is complete, open up the app and enter your phone number or email. In this example, I am using my phone number. Step 4, you will then need to enter the code that is sent to you by text or email and click Next. Step 5, you will then need to add a bank using your debit card. Note, depending on the card you use, that will determine the amount of money you will be allowed to withdraw from your account to deposit to CashApp. Step 6, now you will be prompted to type in your first and last name. Step 7, you will then need to choose a cash tag, which according to CashApp is a unique name for getting paid. Step 8, type in your address. Step 9, you can invite your friends and family to CashApp with a nice little incentive. Step 10, if you choose skip, you will then be brought to the home page where you will see the blue B icon for Bitcoin. Step 11, you will then be able to buy Bitcoin instantly by clicking on the buy button. Step 12, for this example, we recommend choosing a value that is $100 or less, and once the denomination is selected, click Next.
There is a minimum requirement of 0.001 BTC to transfer, which depending on the price of Bitcoin can approximately be under $100.
Step 13, you will then need to confirm your identity by entering in the code that was sent to your email or text. Step 14, after that, you will see a prompt stating you purchased BTC and the amount will be listed in Bitcoin. Click Done. Step 15, when you scroll down, you will see Bitcoin owned and you will see the amount of total Bitcoin owned, which in this example says 0.00255,967 is the amount, and our total balance minus transaction fees is equivalent to $97.74. We will not be sending our Bitcoin over to another platform at this time, but we will need to set up that capability. Step 17, we do so by clicking Enable On-Chain Transactions. Step 18, you will then need to share a bit more information to verify your identity. Step 19, click and note. You will need to provide a state ID or driver's license. Step 20, go ahead and click OK to allow CashApp to access your camera. When you scan the front of your driver's license or state ID, you will notice when you are holding your ID, you will need to zoom in so the entire ID has the blue lines across it. When in doubt, zoom just a little bit closer. You will have to verify your ID, starting off with the front and make sure it's not blurry. Step 24, flip it around and take another photo of the back of your ID. Step 25, you will now be asked to put your face in the camera to verify your ID. Step 26, you will be asked to complete a brief survey. Are you investing? What's your main source of income, employment status, job title, etc. Click Next, and once completed, you can now send Bitcoin to another account. Nice work! We have found that CashApp is the fastest way to withdraw funds that can be deposited into your bank account and the easiest way to send your Bitcoin to another exchange. Remember, if you need additional help, Crypto Tutors has your back. We have a team of tutors on standby waiting to hear from you at CryptoTutors.com.
If you don't have CashApp, download the app for a chance to increase your balance.
Chapter complete. Keep watching to keep learning.